Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 2 Polynomials, exercise 2.2, question 2. Find the quadratic polynomial, each with the given numbers as a sum and product of its zeros respectively. Already we have seen part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So today here we are going to see part 5, that is minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. I have already told you here we have to find the quadratic polynomial. Already given to us the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros are given to us. Using this we have to find the quadratic polynomial, and I told you that I am teaching you both the methods using identity as well as assuming method. So let's see both the methods. First we see the assuming method. So that is, this is sum of the 0 is given to us minus 1 upon 4, and the product of the 0 is 1 upon 4, and we know the sum of the 0 is minus b upon a, and the product of the 0 is c upon a. So here sum of the 0 is given to us minus 1 upon 4, and here the product of the 0 is 1 upon 4. So now let's see here. Now always I told you in this method you have to see the denominator first. So in denominator, here also a, here also a. Therefore we have to see the denominator, that both the sides that should be a same number. So here we have 4, here also we have 4. So there is no any problem. So just write down a value 4, then b value, see here minus 1 and here minus. So both minus into minus will become plus. So we'll get b value as 1. Then c value also will be 1. So now, on comparing ax square plus bx plus 1, because this is our general formula for quadratic polynomial. So now we'll write down 4. Therefore quadratic polynomial is, in the place of a we have 4 x square plus b is what, 1, then x plus c, ax square plus bx plus c should be. Okay, so in the place of c we have 1. So therefore our quadratic polynomial is 4x square. 1 into x will become x only plus 1. So that's our answer. So now let's use the identity method, but you can use any method that you are comfortable with. So identity method will be x square minus x alpha plus beta, then plus alpha into beta. Okay, so then x square we write as it is, minus x we write as it is. Sum of the 0 is what is given to us. Sum of the 0 is minus 1 upon 4, plus product of the 0 is 1 upon 4. So now k x square minus x. Here you see, here in denominator nothing we have, but then here also we don't have in denominator anything. Here we have in denominator 4. So here we have 4. So we have to see that everywhere we are getting 4. Okay. So here you can multiply x into minus 1 will become x upon this 4 will become. So here we have plus 1 upon 4. So now you see in denominator we have 4 here, we have 4 here, but here we don't have in denominator anything. So we have to see that we get here also 4. So we consider that there is 1 is there. So then what we do, here also 4, here also 4. So we want here also 4. So what we'll do, both the side will multiply with 4. Then what we will get, so when you are multiplying with 4, you'll get 4x square, then upon 4, because 1 into 4, 4, then minus x upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So what we will get, 4x square minus x plus 1. Denominator we have 4, so we write down in common 4. So now if you are writing it out, if you are writing now, 4 will come out. It is in a division, so it will become come here. 4k upon 4 will write, we will bring it out. So inside we will get 4x square minus x plus 1. So this is our answer. So if you see here, you see somewhere it's gone wrong. Okay, here minus into minus it will become plus. So we will get plus here. So it will become plus. This you have to be careful. Minus into minus became plus. So that means here is plus. So you see, assuming method also we got the same, and the using identity method also we got the same answer. So you can use any one method which you are comfortable with. So now let's see quickly the sixth one. So here let's write down, we have in assuming method we have to write down the sum of the 0 is 4 and the product of the 0 is 1. So let's write down, we know that sum of the 0 is minus b upon a and the product of the 0 is c upon a. So now the sum of the 0 given to us 4, product of the 0 is 1. Now let's see the denominator, because here also a, here also a. So let's see the denominator. Nothing is there in denominator, so we assume that there is 1 is there. So that means a will be 1, b is minus here, so 4, and then c is plus 1. So on comparing ax square plus bx plus c, we get in the place of a is what? We have 1. Then x square as it is plus b is what? Minus 4. X as it is plus c is what? 1. So therefore the quadratic polynomial is 1 into x square will be x square plus into minus minus 4 into x, 4x plus 1. So that's our answer. Now quickly let's see the using identity method, that is k x square minus x alpha plus beta plus product of the 0. So let's write down kx square minus x, the sum of the 0 is given to us what? 4, plus product of the 0 is what? 1. So x square minus x, here we have 4. So we consider that there is 1 is here. So 1 is here. So then denominator all will be 1 only. So there is nothing to do now. So x into 4 will get 4x, then plus 1 we get. So you see now, assuming method what we got? X square minus 4x plus 1. So x square minus 4x plus 1. So that's our answer. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.